Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys one of the ways of how I make my bed and how I get a classy, stylish look after a good night's sleep. So the first thing I do is clear my bed, and I'll start by removing everything off the bed and setting aside the pillows and blankets and leaving nothing on the bed but the sheet itself. Once my bed is clear, I do go ahead and shake my sheets and just remove all the tiny items that aren't visible to the eye. So next, I stretch out the sheet and tuck the corners to get the perfect fit. Once that's done, I take my blanket that I've already inserted into the top sheet. I do take my time to make sure that all the corners are even and that it looks like one piece. So once my blanket is inserted, spread the blanket over the sheet, making sure all my corners are even. So next I take this solid pink blanket that I've already folded twice and I lay it out at the top end of the bed, leaving enough space to fold back the top blanket and showing a little bit of the hot pink. Next, I take my matching set pillows and sit them up directly on the headboard. So for the rest of the pillows, I am going to stand them up all on the corners just to give it a different look, a different edge to it. I think it adds a perfect edge and it makes it look classy, stylish, and it's bomb. So these are the final results, you guys. I am so proud of myself. I love the way that I make up my bed. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the steps. I hope it was easy to understand. And don't forget to thumbs up this video, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. And I will be back with you guys with another video very soon. Mwah!